close my eyes.
Ooh, no, don't close your eyes. You still can't see. I'm seeing my favorites that I haven't eaten in a long time. Y'all know when I get Jamaican snacks.
Oh, I know what it is.
It's a good day.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Show Faves what you're doing.
I eat lemon.
You love lemon?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's eating.
Yes. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in Nice. And you guys, when I woke up this morning, it says 9 o'clock. Tired is an understatement. I went to bed late last night though, so that's understandable. My husband is off to work. It's Friday, the last day of the week, last working day of the week. So he'll get to be with us for the weekend without having to leave. Starting off today with some, what did we make?
I make green juice.
Green juice, back in business since we got back from Christmas vacation. So that we can continue to stay healthy and get rid of all this little sickness, niggling happening in this house, especially with Tyler. Because Sarah and I got antibiotics and we're back to our old self, but Tyler nose is almost better. So I'm hoping it will continue on a good path of getting better. So green juice it is. So we've been making green juice like I said. Tyler is still in bed. Tyler is still sleeping. Tyler is watching marathons of Naruto because we found out yesterday that Naruto will be off Netflix as of the 31st. So he's trying to watch as much as he can before it goes off, because once it goes off, then we're gonna have to find another way for him to watch Naruto. Look at this girl and the lemon. Anyway, I'm preparing this green juice so that everybody can get a glass of freshly made green juice. And if you're new to my channel, green juice in this family is a thing for everybody. Not so much my husband, but for me and the kids. My husband don't really have green juice. No matter how I make it, no matter how I make it and put it down, he doesn't really drink it. But it's good for you, and I am not going to force him to do what he doesn't want to do. He's not a child, right? Right. So he'll drink it when he wants to. He don't when he don't. Anyway, you guys, I have a few things to get done around here today. A few things on my... I know I hear a little niggling somewhere around there.
Tyler got the green juice.
You got a lot of rest. Let me see your nose. How was it this morning? Not so bad. How are you?
I'm a bit coughing a lot.
You're coughing?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
So I didn't hear you coughing. Okay. This is the medicine. Your nose. Alright, drink the green juice and I'll clean it up for you. Say hello to the face. You didn't say hello.
Bye-bye.
Estella, can you say hello? Alright, give me the lemon. Finish and drink your green juice. Sarah Granny got her the Peppa Pig cup and plate set. Chin.
Drink, Mama.
You're not chinning, Tyler? Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. And I was telling you guys that if you're new to my channel, I make green juice a lot around here. And you drink off yours already?
Yes.
That finishes. The ingredients are 5 ingredients always: celery, cucumber, apple, ginger, lemon. good for the immune system.
Sometimes you don't use lemon.
Always use lemon.
What's it?
Always. You might not taste it strong, but it's always there. When one ingredient is missing, it tastes different.
Even if the ingredient that tastes missing.
No, the 5 that I use. If one of the 5 is missing, you can taste the difference. Come, drink up. You're almost finished. So if you want to try green juice for your fam bam, and it's a good little detox. Yeah, so that's what's up right now. I'm gonna get some stuff done around here. Oh, and I received a package yesterday, which I'll insert that clip right now and show you guys. You want to help mama?
Yeah!
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tyler, you gonna help mama?
Yeah, yeah.
Everybody's excited this morning because mama got a package.
2 seconds.
So why you did our puzzle?
Sarah, you passed me the pieces and I did it. Look, mama.
Yes, good job. So Tyler did the easy baby puzzle. Oh my gosh.
I made it
Anyway,
in 2 seconds.
say good morning to the fave, Sarah and Tyler.
One.
So you guys, this package has been a long time coming. My friend Shanna came from Jamaica a long time ago and sent me this package, and for some reason the package has been going around, bouncing from place to place and cannot reach me, but today it finally reached. So as I said, Shanna went to Jamaica and bring back some things for me, so you know that it's Jamaican goodies in this, right? Discover what Shanna sent me. I sent Shanna a little listy list when she was in Jamaica.
Mama?
Yes.
Can I try guess?
Okay, I'll hold up the things and you'll get to see what I'm taking out. I'll hold something in my hand.
Okay.
And you'll try and guess to see what's coming out.
I'm closing my eyes.
Ooh. No, don't close your eyes. You still can't see. I'm seeing my favorites that I haven't eaten in a long time. Y'all know when I get Jamaican snacks.
Oh, I know what it is.
It's a good day.
Okay.
What's the first thing? Listen.
Banana chips.
No. Tigers. Tyler ate this years ago. I don't even know if you remember it. You remember Tigers?
Yeah.
Sarah gonna love this. It's gonna be Sarah's first time eating Tigers. Tigers. More Tigers. More Tigers. More Tigers. More Tigers. More Tigers. More Tigers. Alright, what's coming next?
Banana chips.
There's no house without banana chips, right?
Yes.
Banana chips, banana chips. Banana chips, banana chips. Banana chips, banana chips. Banana chips, banana chips. Alright. What's this? You'll never get this right.
Sarah.
What's this?
I don't know.
Coconut roll. Babe and I love coconut roll from Honey Bun. So I asked Shanna to bring me a few, and they're cold and nice. So Shanna, bring me a few. Coconut roll from Honey Bun is so good. So more coconut roll and more coconut roll. Alright, you won't hear the sound, but what do I have in my hand?
Suppleton.
No. Browden! Shanna brought to tell her that Shanna package was supposed to reach long before I bake Christmas cake. That's how long Shanna sent off this package. And the package didn't reach. So more brownie just a reach. Alright, the last thing coming out of the package, what it is? No. Here is supper jelly. We don't want supper jelly.
Patty.
No, Maggie all-purpose seasoning.
What?
The good
No
stuff.
patty.
Oh, Shanna to send patty, no. Auntie Natasha is in Jamaica. She will carry patty.
Yes.
So that's everything Shanna sent for me. This package was supposed to reach long before Christmas, but it came Finally happy. And thank you, Shana Banana. Okay, what you want from here? Sarah, what you want to taste? This one?
Nothing, I want chocolate.
You want chocolate?
Yes.
But Sarah ready. Show them, rub your stomach.
I can have it.
You see the little piece right there?
No,
Tell you that
it's
you
not
can
this
eat.
one. I wanted this, one of this chocolate. I can.
You're welcome. Sarah eating tigers for the first
You want
time.
one too?
It's yummy.
I changed my mind.
Ah! You change your mind, take some from Sarah.
It's yummy. Yeah.
Stop doing your hands like that. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at them.
Maybe I will take some banana chips.
No. You want banana chips for sure? You can have one. Watch rolls. Yes. Yes.
Why you say Shana Banana but not Mary's color banana?
Yummy? Let Mama savor the flavor. And it's crunchy. Fresh and nice. You know why it's called tigers?
Why? Oh, because
There's a tig on it and the foot shaped like a tig foot.
yes.
You know what we used to do when Mama used to go to school?
What?
And on the street,
What?
buy a tigers, buy a banana chips, and throw the banana chips into the tigers bag and eat both of them together.
You get shy?
Ooh. No, because you're probably not gonna like it. Yummy?
Yummy.
Yummy. So thank you, Auntie Shana. And you guys, remember I sent cake to Shana and I was saying that it's the third time I'm trying to send Shana cake and first two times it didn't work. Shana got her cake and love her cake and eat off her cake. The next time I bake, I'm going to send Shana cake. Sarah and Tyler testing out one of Sarah's gift for Christmas. Sarah got this pizza maker. Oh, Sarah, pizza topping. Sarah, your pizza topping look like that. That's too big, Ty. Help her. No, Ty. You just remember pizza topping is different colors on the top of the pizza.
Yes, but right now I'm not doing the topping. I'm doing the
Crust?
No, this is the crust. I'm doing the tomato sauce.
Okay, with pink.
I thought it was red.
Okay, that works too. Sarah, what you making?
I make a pizza.
You're making a pizza?
Mama's really hungry.
Yes, Mama is really hungry. Making a pizza for Mama? What kind of pizza are you making?
I make green slice.
You make what?
I make green slice.
You make green slice. Okay. I like the way how she's cutting and giving to Tyler. She's making her pizza, you know? Alright, come through. So they also give you guys try and copy what they did.
Yes, but I want to do my own first.
Okay, like you want.
Please?
Go ahead.
She have two.
You playing with Tyler?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're too cute.
Okay, so I need...
The things that they create for kids. So this is the pizza oven. And you slide, put the pizza in here and push it in and lock it down with this. Wanna show face the pizza?
Yes. It's normal.
Don't move it.
It's normal.
That's Tyler pizza.
It's
So
normal.
where's Sarah pizza?
Over there. It's normal as my my mushroom melt because it stayed too long in the
In the
in the
oven.
oven. It was stuck.
Okay.
Pizza, pizza.
Sarah, where's your pizza?
Here.
Oh, that's your pizza too?
She make a cucumber pizza.
She make a cucumber pizza. Alright. I like that you're going the
You prefer
healthier
which
route.
one?
I prefer both of them, but yours is more colorful, so I like it colorful.
Thank you.
Dinner on a Friday. That looks so good. Husband came with dinner.
Oh, excusez-moi. Oh, I was on, sorry. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good night. This is Ling. That was my last day at work for the year. But the first is on a Sunday, so I don't feel like it's the end of the year. I just feel like in weekend.
So true.
I'm just feeling
France is not like Jamaica that give the Monday when the Sunday is a holiday.
Don't do that.
Couldn't care less.
They don't.
Anyway, guys, we're all hungry, so I'm gonna look after dinner. It's your dinner more like. You guys, me and her have this thing every single night when she used to go to bed. She hide me out. Fa-la-la-la-la. She thinks she can run from me now. Come, go to your bed. 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 Any means in her princess dress. And this is her little corner she running every night. Come on. Go take a shower. Go take a shower and go to bed. Go take a shower. Come. You see what time it is? Look at the time. Look at the time. Vacation mode is the last weekend. Look at it. Last weekend before the back to school. Come go to bed. Come go to bed. Sarah, why you stuck in your face in the corner? Come. La 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 la. Come.
Give it a...
You go catch Tyler?
Yeah.
No. Won't catch Tyler. You ready?
Yeah.
Go look for Tyler. Go find Tyler. Run. Go find Tyler. Come, see Tyler here. Look at Tyler catching up on Naruto. See him there. Come, go shower. Pause your movie and go to the shower.
It's not a movie.
Pause what? Take up Stella. To the bathroom. 1.
Wait.
Why you have comfort on my bed?
It's not a cup.
Go to the bathroom.
It's an apple juice.
Come, tell Faves good night.
Good night. Look, it's an apple juice.
Okay, go. Bathroom. Sarah?
Water in
Sarah? Oh
it.
my.
Put water in it.
No. To your bed. Shower. Sarah. Tell Faves good night. Tell Faves good night, Sarah.
Good night.
So see you tomorrow. Sarah, if you break down my shower curtain, you see, little girl, you have too much energy.